Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping the ad pipeline at the system level. First, limit ad tracking in settings right arrow privacy or ads and reset your advertising ID. This reduces targeted pop-ups. Once done, install a trusted DNS or ad blocking app from Google Play and grant its local VPN permission. This blocks many trackers system-wide. Also scan installed apps and flag anything unfamiliar so you can remove it next. These immediate steps start reducing most intrusive and personalized ads fast. Next, you remove the actual ad sources. Go to Settings right arrow apps and inspect apps with high data or notification activity. Uninstall any app that repeatedly displays ads or at least disable its notifications and background data. Make sure to open vendor system apps, browser, App Store, iManager, and turn off recommendation prompts, news feeds, and promotional notifications. Once done, clear those app caches and restart your phone to ensure the changes take effect and reduce reappearance. Finally, lock down network and browser controls. Set private DNS to an ad blocking resolver in Settings right arrow network to stop many ad domains. This complements the DNS app you installed. In browsers, disable pop-ups and site notifications, and add a content blocker or use a privacy browser. If you still see ads, boot into safe mode to check if a third-party app is responsible. Once identified, uninstall it. If needed, factory reset as a last resort, backup first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.